Ooh, oh, ooh, that's good.
Michael, don't leave me here. Michael, Michael.
That's right, you and me, right now, we're having it out. Let's go, come on, come on.
Back off, wimp.
Hello.
Drop it.
Yeah!
Are you committing a hate crime right now?
Against your own mother?
Oh my god!
Stop it!
Oh.
Nah, they got the cake.
Oh.
Kitty, what you do?
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. Get it away from me. I don't want it. No, no. Fine, I'm gonna be a dad.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You're f***ing Nate? Are you kidding me? No, I don't even know why she would say that.
My cut is insane. Shout out to my barber, dog.
You wanna go out? Hold on. Wanna go out?
What? 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 No way, no way, no way!
Red, silver, tabby, and white, Maine Coon polydactyl,
And this is what we call an orange cat. It has one brain cell.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny. What?
What are you doing in my house?
I want waffles.
Hello.
It is Max, a new little Maxie.
Yeah, bro, you got the snacks? Yeah, the red ones. Oh, oh, what the f? Dude, what? What? No.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
His meow is so cute.
Merlot. Oh!
I have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Dur ya bazen biliyorsun. Anladın. Çek resmi çek. Allah'ın zaten çek.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
What are you doing? Stop that. I said stop that, baby. Stop tickling me. Stop. I said stop, bastard. Stop tickling me.
I didn't turn that.
No. Nope.
Oh my god.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog do?
That's my boy. No, my boy!
Father, help!
Simba, come here. Oh.
My cat doesn't leave my side, even when I'm chopping onions. Like, just walk away, my guy.
His son watching, so he's crying too.
Look at her go. She wants to run this morning, flat out. Sorry if the quality's bad, but this is what happens when you're running with a cat trying to keep up.
That's my boy. No, my boy!
Father, help!
That's the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
There you go, sir. 2 Italian beef and beans. Would you like mayonnaise or ketchup or anything like that? No? Okay, no problem. Yes, just give me a shout if you need anything. Okay, bye.
All you need to know is to squish that cat. We always squish that cat.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
I saw my dog digging under the fence.
What are you doing?
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these 2 things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
He was biting too hard, so I hissed at him.
That's a real quick no.
That's a hard pass.
Absolutely not. Very uninterested in that option.
I heard this has something to say to the press, Nabi.
Has something to say to the press. What is it, Nabi?
What's good?
What's good?
What are you talking about?
my gosh, there's too many.
Are we just gonna ignore the fact that the two dogs were chewing on the same leg?
Connor relaxed and smiling. Oh no! He slapped him! Connor McGregor!
I turn around, look what she is. You not coming? She said no.
Okay, I showed your mom your video. Hey, I showed your mom your video. Hey! She said to be nice to me. Be nice to Aunt Jenny. I don't think he likes you. Ah! Cheddar!
What? Hi. Oh my god.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
He is so obsessed with the water.
Oh, we're doing it again. We got the Raising Cane's and we got get.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Okay, I'm gonna exit and see what he does. This is Dutch. Ready?
Organizing data. That takes skill. The kind of skills employers are looking for. And Google's got job training that builds on the skills you have.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Trucks have tailgates. And you know why? To load all the dogs.
Bunsen!
Why? You be nice.
Near the water, and I turn around, I see this. Hella studious. Look at this studious ass food. Damn.
Bro, why this dog head so skinny?
What the fuck?
I sure hope nobody's planning to scare me while I leave the bathroom.
Yeah! Look at this fucking bullshit. What the fuck? Do flip!
Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me?
Yes.
Cooper, that's not a toy! Cooper! Stop it! Cooper!
Wolfie? 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 Oh shit, I thought you were dead.
Ay! Saldırdı. Alacaktı baba. Aa! Aldı.
That one's hanging on for its fucking dear life. That one's probably clawing Ollie, honestly.
When someone asks my mom if I am a good boy,
sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Sassy little golden nugget.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting. Get your pet.
I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucian.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate.
Are you a dog?
Yes!
I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs?
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Waking Milo up by barking so he knows how it feels.
Excuse me. Need to borrow these? Hello? Need to borrow these?
Yo, Garfo, don't stop what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. But you see that teddy bear up there? Don't look right now. But I heard that man's been talking mad about you, bro. I can't even lie. Hey, babe, I'm not even gonna lie. It's time for bed. I'm getting really tired. I have to get up early in the morning.
What the
What the
Diesel got you in timeout?
And when we're pretty, all the girls will fall in love with us.
God damn. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
My Loki Pokey boy? Is that my boy? My sweet boy? What are you doing? Come here. Go potty?
Good boy.
Yes? No.
Do you miss Mama? Do you miss Mama? Hello? Yes? Oh, get off my cord. Do you miss Mama? Do you miss... Oh, no! Oh, yeah. Oh, you're gonna pretend to be hurt? Oh, I knocked your laptop over.
Hey, get out of my sandwich. No.
There's nothing in this world that makes me more angry than when you burn a candle and it doesn't burn that outer rim. It just irritates.
Ludwig, I'm sorry you're mad, but you can't just jump out here. Ludwig, there's dogs here. And cats. Do you want us to go back in there? Are we good now?
Look at that house! Wow. People have a lot of money. We don't.
Jenny, hi.
And, I think we're going to eventually talk about your accolades. You got something.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up.
You are the most beautiful girl in the whole entire world. Yes, you. You are my baby. You are perfect. Do you agree?
How'd that get in there?
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe.
What the? Good morning. Whoa. That's your baby's mother?